I apologize. I just realized that I didn't show anybody how I've done this before. So I've done this a few times. What I do is I get one of these Indian bodies and I'll grab me one of those 3-meter LED light strip bars. But you want to get the one with the dancing colors, not the one that just does blue. And you buy yourself a whole bunch of long screws and you get rid of the ones that are in there. Make about 1 inch long, 3/4 of an inch. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to run it in between here and make like a spacer with the light. And we got to do a little bit of hot gluing. You got to get it right behind the base, and sometimes you might have to get a razor blade and kind of cut a little bit of the edge so that the lip fits well. Once you get it in there real nice, hot glue the edges down, and then I use black vinyl. So that's what I'm going to use, is some black vinyl. And when it's done, it'll light up. It'll give me my left and right blinkers and brake lights. Figured I'd just show you guys real quick. It's about to get very, very cold, so we went ahead and brought in most of the plants. Just give it a demonstration of what the taillights are doing. They're dancing, but they also do left, right, and blink. They also do the brake lights, and there's a white for reverse. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool, huh? That's for the Indian. You may only get 1 or 2 more videos and then we're done. Thanks for your patience and watching. Pretty cool, huh? I'm satisfied with everything I've done. There's now so many people there that I'm a shadow. It's time for me to do something more interesting. It's been a busy night, but check it out. This is the small one, though. The big one's going to be on the bike. And then, of course, you know, I'll have its own dedicated headlight. So it looks like I got it figured out. Pretty cool, huh? All right.
You two are hungry. It's a big day. We're gonna kill God. Come again?